Hi again, everyone. Thank you for attending Inspinia Zigbee webinar. My name is Maizi Mazalto. I am the Global Marketing Manager of Inspinia. Today, we will present a Zigbee integration webinar with my colleague, our Senior Software Engineer, Samet Balta, and our Sales and Marketing Director, Onur Meljan. We'll answer your questions. If you have any, you can put your question under Q&A section. So we will start. Let me share my screen. Okay. Welcome again. So our agenda today, I will talk a little bit about Inspinia history, our expertise, our product range, our Sky platform, and then I will give the scene to Samet, and he will demonstrate you a Zigbee integration. And again, if you have any question, you can always ask in Q&A section at the bottom of your screen. So if we speak about a little bit Inspinia, our brand is built in 2014 as the brand in Astrum in Turkey. Then we did a OEM partnership with Legrand Turkey, ABB Turkey, and Hager Turkey. Now we are in the process of extend our OEM partnership globally with these companies. Then our company had a joint venture partnership with Alco, which is a Czech Republic company, and the brand name is changed to Inspinia. Now all our production is moved to Czech Republic, and all is delivered from Czechia. So as I mentioned, we have our quarter is in Czech Republic, and we have an R&D office in Turkey. We have ISO certification and KNX membership. We are selling and distributing globally. We do all kind of buildings, from residential areas to buildings, public buildings. As I mentioned, our biggest partners is Hager, Legrand, ABB. INAS is the close protocol of Alco. We have integration with Shelly as well, and we have a special partnership with Mitsubishi Heavy Industry in Turkey. So if we present our product range, we have 4-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch touch panels, and we have a BMS controller, and we have VRF units gateways. We have our own intercom solutions, villa type, multi-tenant type, and IP search control. All our products are configured and function through our platform, which calls Sky platform, that Samet will dive into deeply later. It's a cloud-based programming where you can drag and drop the object you want to configure, and regardless the protocol, KNX, INALS, Modbus, BACnet, you can combine the protocols and you can control everything through one platform. What is the advantages of Sky platform? You can configure your devices through cloud. It is all the time up to date. You can control multiple device and multiple protocol. You can analyze your data. You can collect data from devices, and you can monitor your devices as live. So which protocol we are supporting? We mostly, as you can see, KNX, Modbus, Zigbee. Today we will show you Zigbee configuration again, how to do with Sky platform. We have BACnet, BTCino, and so on. And we support, as you can see, for now, this VRF brand, and we are in the process of extend them. And those are our, as I mentioned before, we have our own intercom brand, but we can be integrated with those brands as well. So how our system works. This is the back side of our 8-inch or 10-inch panel. We have 2 ports. If you want to configure your system with Zigbee, you need this module. You put in 1 port. And if you have another protocols, like you want to combine with KNX, Modbus, INAS, Piticino, you need to use another module here. Or you have a VRF system that you want to control in your automation. Each brand here I mentioned, they have their own module. So you can control your Zigbee devices through integrate our touch panel to Zigbee devices through this module. Plus, if you, let's assume your system has Daikin VRF system, you need to have a Daikin VRF module here, so you can control your Zigbee devices and Daikin or Mitsubishi Electric Samsung VRF system in one device. Once you put your Zigbee module to configure your system on your mobile, you need to scan the code on the front side of the touch panel. Once you scan it, everything you configured in Skype platform, you can see on your mobile devices. Our touch panels come with different frame colors, as you can see it. Our 8-inch and 10-inch touch panels, they work with Android system. And the rest of our products, they are Linux-based. As I mentioned before, on the 8-inch or 10-inch panel, we have 2 extension add-on ports, speakers, microphone. It works with Ethernet. We have 5-point multi-touch. We have temperature sensor and humidity sensor. As you can see here, when you put the Zigbee module backside of the panel, it will work with all Zigbee devices. Plus, if you have, again, KNX system, Modbus system of backnet IP system, you don't need any other module. It will communicate directly with your devices. Then through IP, you can connect to our cloud system and our mobile. This is our 4-inch product. It is Linux-based. The working logic is the same, but this time, as you will have only one add-on port. And as you want to work with Zigbee, you will just put the Zigbee module. And again, if you have the other protocol IP-based, you don't need any other module. It will work. Again, this is our hospitality solution. We just suggest the room controller 4-inch. The working logic is the same. This is totally another product. It works only with Wi-Fi. It's 4-inch again. And if all your system works with Wi-Fi, you can configure all your system into this touch panel. Okay, this is our BMS hub. Again, it's Linux-based. There is 2 add-on port here. You can use it as Zigbee KNX converter, Zigbee Modbus converter, or just for, you can control your Zigbee system with your VRF system. That's up to you. It is connected to, you can use it as a only device. You will configure through Skype platform. Then you can control it through your mobile. Also, it can be connected to your touch panel. Is up to you. Again, there is two add-on ports. If you wanna use your if you want to control your Zigbee devices, one of them will be Zigbee, and the other one, it's up to you again. This is our last product that we want to launch. It is control only VRF indoor units. For now, we are compatible with only Daikin, Mitsubishi Electric, Samsung, and Mitsubishi Heavy Industry. It's Wi-Fi built-in, and it can be, you can add Modbus or Carnex. It's an option. So this is how the Zigbee system work. You put the module inside, as I mentioned, add-on module. VRF system, you can see here the blue one. You need another module for that, and you can add maybe mini server to make it function and connect it to our touch panel. Here, as a purple one, is the motion sensors. Here also it can control the Zigbee pendant light. Here Zigbee smart Zigbee push buttons you can control with this add-on module. We have smart Zigbee sockets that you can control, and you have window magnetic sensor that it can be controlled through your 4-inch devices if you have the Zigbee add-on module. And now I will leave the scene to Samet, and he will show you how we can configure our devices with Zigbee add-on and through the Skype platform. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Megzi. Hi, everyone. I am Samet from Inspinia engineering team. Today, I will give you a live demo of our product Skype platform. Before start, let me share my screen. I hope you can see it. Let's talk about Skype platform a little bit. Skype platform is a cloud-based web platform where you can manage your smart devices from Inspinia and the projects where these devices are used. And Inspinia and projects will be hosted in cloud. And devices communicate using our own framework called SkyThings. All connections are real-time and secure. And today's demo, we will talk about the main features of Skype platform and create a new project. Inside this new project, we will add a new device and make a simple integration with some Zigbee devices. After logging into Skype platform, you will see the dashboard and some items on left menu. Let me quickly introduce this screens. Dashboard shows the total number of devices you manage and their locations on the map. Projects, you can manage your projects and devices inside them. We will talk more about this in a moment. Favorite section, a shortcut area for the projects and devices you use most often. License wallet. Some protocols on the platform require a license to use. These licenses are stored in your company wallet, and this section contains the screens to manage these licenses, but we won't go into details in today's demo. Shared by me and shared with me sections. Skype platform supports project sharing. You can share your projects with other users with specific permissions. It allows collaboration. Templates. As you will, Skype platform allows you to create flexible and customizable device configuration. Yeah, we will see it shortly. Templates can be very useful for this. You can apply a template to many devices easily once it's created. Registered device. This section shows the list of devices you purchase directly from Inspinia. But if you bought your devices through a distributor instead of Inspinia, this field may appear empty. And products section, this section includes a summary of information and links about Inspinia products. Let's go to projects again, and I will create a new project, then go to the demo integration. I'm giving a name to demo project. We need to enter a location. Here we go, our project is created. I'm going to the details and clicking at device. You need to enter your correct serial number. You can scan QR code on the panels. I will type it. I will simply type it. And you can select predefined template, but we will go from stretch, clicking submit, and our device is ready. After that, I'm going to configuration screen, and you will see an empty canvas and a lot of objects on left panel, and you will have the opportunity to apply any kind of configuration for your smart home or building solutions by using these objects. It's a powerful visual programming tool, but we don't have time to go details, but you can watch our training session on Inspinia YouTube channel if you are interested. As mentioned, as Maisie mentioned before demo, Sky platform devices can communicate with many protocols such as KNX, Modbus, and Zigbee. We will focus Zigbee integration at today's demo. Our SkyThings protocol automatically pairs with Zigbee devices and allows full control without complex configuration. It provides a reliable plug-and-play experience with a minimal setup time. Before start the demo, I want to give some technical details. Our devices communicate with Zigbee products over radio frequency using the native Zigbee protocol. To achieve this, an add-on Zigbee add-on module is required and should be plugged into Inspinia device. For stable communication, an antenna must be connected to the module. Each control panel ships with an antenna, but when you purchase an additional add-on module, it also comes with its own antenna inside the package. The maximum reliable distance between the control panel and Zigbee device is 6 meters. However, this range can be extended through Zigbee routers that create a mesh network. The critical requirement is that panel and the first Zigbee router must not exceed 6 meters distance. After that, additional Zigbee devices and routers can expand the network coverage. To connect Zigbee device, open the devices section on top of right. Then click add new device. As you can see, we have many protocols supported, but we will select Zigbee. After clicking insert, you need to select the correct port that Zigbee module, add-on module is installed. For my device, it's on port 2. Then click the search. And it will list in all available Zigbee devices nearby. And you need to set your devices to pair mode. Let me do it. You can see a smart Zigbee plug. Give me a moment. I will take it to the pair mode. Here we go. After it's set to pair mode, it will automatically appear on the list. Clicking at device, and hit the save and save. It's ready to use. Once device added, a ready-to-use block is generated under devices section, and you can drag and drop it to the canvas and start using it. Depending on your, let me do it. Depending on device type, status, for example, on-off status or sensor values, and feedback channels are automatically included the block. Also, you can see the device type and info. No extra configuration required. Or we will Inspinia devices are communicating Zigbee devices with Zigbee protocol and gets required info. As I said, no extra setup required. In order to control this smart device, we need a UI object. Let me drop it. We will use a switch UI block. Let me explain this simple block. As you can see, we have two nodes, input and output. Input nodes sets UI object status. It's 1 or 0 for switch block. And out 1 means open, 0 means closed. Output node provides a real-time feedback from the UI block, and it sends data when the status is changed. Now we need to link switch object with the Zigbee device. I'm connecting Zigbee input to switch output and Zigbee device output to switch input. Why we are doing this? What will happen now? When you toggle the switch button, a command will be sent to Zigbee device, then the device state will be changed. After that, Zigbee object feedback will send to the latest status, and we will read this feedback with switch object, and switch status will be updated. And this guarantees that UI and mobile app always shows device's real-time status. I'm clicking the save, then going to the list again. Now I will publish the device. It will take a little time. Let me check. After that, you can check monitoring tool. Monitoring tool shows real-time status of your devices and UI objects. As you can see, we already read device status. 0 means our smart plug is off now, and other info. You can use it if you want. And let me change the plug status. I mean, I'm opening it. As you can see, on-off value is 1 now. And I'm closing it. And switch status is also changed. I want to show that in my smartphone, I'm in mobile app. Let me connect the phone. I guess you can. Sorry. It may take a little bit time. Hold on. Let me wait. Let's wait a little bit time. Let's publish one more time. It may take time because here we go. It's ready to use. As I said, it may take a little bit time to synchronize UI and UI changes. Yeah. Now we have mobile app connection. When I change the status, as you can see, the device status will be changed. I am opening and closing. And real status of the smart plug is also changing. Do one more time. And this example demonstrates the simplest integration with Sky Platform Advanced Visual Programming Environment. You can design highly complex automation scenarios. For today's demo, we will load a configured file prepared for the webinar. To do that, you need to go configuration screen again and select and import existing setup file, and your configuration is here. I will hit the save. I will explain these blocks later once I publish it. While waiting this, I want to mention, I want to talk about the scenario first. With this scenario, the air conditioner is on. If the air conditioner is on and then window is opened, the air conditioner will be automatically turned off. To save energy, when the window is closed again, the air conditioner will turn back on automatically. However, if the air conditioner was manually turned off before window was opened, it will respect your choice and it will stay off even after the window is closed. In short, the system remembers the user's last choice and controls the air conditioner uh, based on that. Let me show the blocks first. We created a custom block in order to make this happen. You can see the JavaScript code inside the block. It might look complicated if you are not familiar with programming languages, but it's actually quite simple. You can build this scenario by using visual programming blocks instead of custom code, but we wanted to show that this tool can be used to create any custom plugin. And don't worry, our development team can help with your customized integrations. Let's check. It looks the status is ready. Now we can control. Let me check. And connection established. Yeah, we have a thermostat object. It's air conditioner. This is our UI object. When I will open air conditioner, as you can see, the on-off status is changed. We can also set temperature. We can manage. Then and I want to show the window sensor. As you see, the air conditioner is open now, but I will open the window now. Air conditioner status is changed. When I'm closing the window, now the air conditioner is open again. But I will close air conditioner manually by clicking the panel. I am opening the window, but air conditioner status is not changed because it's respect your last choice. Let me show with the mobile app. I think it's ready. As you can see, I can open air conditioner or close or set temperature. I'm opening it, then checking the window, window sensor. As you can see, I'm opening the window. The air conditioner is being shut down and closing it. The thermostat, I mean air conditioner, is opened. And we have you can have multiple device connections at the same time. I mean, in a same configuration. You see the plug integration. I already showed that. You can manage plug. I'm clicking the switch block in the panel, and we have a Zigbee motion sensor connection with three different switch. I can manually change the switch status. Actually, let me show from the mobile app because it's you can see visually. I'm clicking the switch and switch UI is being changed. And also a motion sensor will detect motion and open the window. After a short time, when no motion detected, it will be closed. As you can see. Let me show it again. And after a while, all switch will be closed. As I said, it detects the motion and turns on the lights. I think that's it. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Samet. Let me share our contact details. Okay, we got many questions. Onur, if you want, you can read the question and answer verbally. This, if you have other questions, you can.
I think now it's, as I told you in the chat box and Q&A session, they can send an email and we can share the answers as soon as possible. Thank you.